Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, we're gonna talk about how to disable YouTube Shorts on YouTube using your phone. So, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, this one will work for you. So, very quickly, let's go to YouTube. And as you can see here, Shorts are activated on my account. Just click on the three dots right here, and then click show fewer shorts, and that should remove the shorts now on the main interface. You can't remove it from the main app itself. That would be impossible. But what you can do, keep on clicking not interested, and apart from that, go to your account, click on the U icon on the lower right of the screen. This is your main account. Click on the settings, go to general, and then click on play in feedback in feeds. Once you have clicked on that, turn it off. Automatically, this should disable shorts while you're watching YouTube videos. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our future videos only here on Tech Help Guy.